Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Calendar Builders. In this video we are going to not work on our code equals board. Instead of working on that, we are going to work on our WRV and the problem was not in the accelerator, it was in the clutch plate. In this video we are going to take out the clutch plate and measure it. So let's get started. As you can see, this many parts has been taken out till now. As you can see, this thing is broken. As you can see, till now this much work is finished. This area is completely torn up. By keeping the gearbox like this, we are going to replace the clutch plate and pressure plate. This is the pressure plate and the inner one is clutch plate, and this is the gearbox. This is the main shaft for the gearbox, and we are going to take out them. And as you can see, there are all the things we have taken out, and over there the drive shafts are there. So as you can see, this is the clutch plate, how thin it is, because it is fully destroyed. As how thin it is, and this is the pressure plate. We have to change both the plates, pressure plate and the clutch plate, because they both will come in a pair. We have to change both of these. This is the place where pressure plate and clutch plate will be installed. So this is going to be it for this video. In the next video we are going to do fit the clutch. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.